Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Let's embark on a journey from novice to skilled artisan. Woodworking's rich history spans millennia, from ancient Egyptian furniture to intricate Renaissance masterpieces. Start your journey with essential tools: hammers, chisels, saws, and measuring instruments. Each plays a crucial role in crafting. Continuous learning is key. Seek out classes and online tutorials to hone your skills. Every master was once a beginner. Prioritize safety. Wear protective gear, maintain a clean workspace, and handle tools properly. A safe woodworker is a happy one. Remember the golden rule: measure twice, cut once. This simple phrase will save you time, materials, and frustration. Selecting the right wood is crucial. Each type has unique characteristics. Learn to choose the perfect wood for your project. Learn to identify wood imperfections. With practice, you'll work around them or use them to enhance your creations. Avoid common beginner mistakes by staying patient and attentive. Take your time and enjoy the process of creation. Using appropriate blades and fasteners is crucial. We'll explore how to choose the right ones for different woods and techniques. Ready to start? We'll explore beginner-friendly projects that will help you apply your new skills and build confidence. As you progress, discover advanced techniques like using plug cutters and dowel plates to elevate your craftsmanship. Woodworking is an art form that lets you express creativity and bring ideas to life. Embrace the journey and watch your skills flourish. Ready to dive deeper into woodworking? Click the link below to continue your journey. Happy crafting!